Yes, hello. We are on our way to the Buffalo Turkey Trot. What time are you gonna aim for, Mom?
1 hour and 10 minutes.
Hour and 10 minutes. I'm trying to beat 40 minutes. 40 minutes, that's 8-minute mile.
Minutes?
Hopefully, the last 2 miles are downhill. Should be able to coast down them, you know? Turkey Trot, yeah! Woo! Warm-up time. And the rocket's red glare. For the land of the free.
Joe, should I try to keep up with you?
Yeah, you should try. Not tie your shoe.
Alright. What if I beat you?
Runner set.
Oh shit.
Turkey Trot time.
Go!
Go! Go! Go!
That's a good start song.
Turkey Trot time.
You guys.
Trying to beat 40 minutes. We're gonna beat 40 minutes, so hopefully that's before the battery dies.
I think you guys are gonna have a hard time. You're so far in the back.
Me and Joey are just gonna be like fist fighting.
Yeah. Just
Get in our way.
where does Scott go? He keeps running away.
The beginning of the end is in sight.
Look at the Ninja Turtles.
Not as old as I am.
Look at the news. Get on the news. Mr. News. Oh, Mr. News, come on. Excuse me. There's all my chocolate milk.
Costumes here are crazy. You see the guys with the canoe?
Yeah, those are crazy. They're gonna like hit someone.
I think of every race I've ever done, this has the best costume.
Really? Better than Disney?
Just wear anything.
Oh yes, that's a good song. Alright, ready boy? Ready? Here we go, 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 here we go. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Sucking out my balls. Sucking out my balls. Alright, ready? Let's cut through a little bit. This is a good pace, I guess. Hello, Mom. This is good. This is a good pace. Where are you? Let's keep it with the Ninja Turtles. Or past them because they're slow. Where'd you go? It's the final suck. What is? I need a hero. Do, 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 do. Don't you know you gotta shock the monkey?
It's a red light
Hey,
that we...
hey. Shock.
And Josh Allen, we trust.
Shock. Shock. Watch the monkey get hurt. Monkey. Dude, just hurdle someone. Some random person.
That would be awesome.
Up the hill. Up the hill. Oh. Cramping up in my collarbone. Where are you? Alright, Shock. Let's find Madison and push her over. I think it's up here at the parkway. That it's a mile marker, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, really?
Something's burning. Cold beer. Should I actually go get some beer? Or try to? I get drunk off of 2 beers. I miss grass. Jesus Christ, this is such a... It's like a wall of people. Alright, we can't go beyond 30 miles per hour, so make sure you keep it a little bit slow.
The speed limit on us.
If the Indy 500 will not put the limit on speed, then it shouldn't put the limit on spirit. Let the snail race. Let him race. Let him race. I'm on my way, I'm making it. Ah, so much larger than life. Ding.
We should have a giant movie screen that just like flies overhead playing the Steam music video.
The Steam music video. Give me Steam. What time is it, Evan? Or what are we at? 9:30. Shit. Oh my god. Almost ran over a kid. Downhill. Get some speed here. They're dropping bombs on us. Ah! Shut everyone up. Hey. That's insane. Look at those guys. Ooh, slippery on the left. Watch out.
Hold on, you're gonna hurt yourself.
No, speed up, speed up. It's a fucking rock in my shoe. Stay to the right, Evan. It's less work. Making it. I'm watching. Go. God.
Start pushing people around and saying, you know what this clear is? This is Joey Sausage.
Shut up. Oh, it's only a 5K to go, Evan.
We're at 15 minutes.
Shit, we're on time. We're good. Woo. Let's keep this pace till we get to the downhill. Mile 2?
They were lying to us.
Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Real.
Who could it be now? Oh, what? It's on that side. Sorry. First wall though, Evan. Uphill. Hey.
Come on, Bill Stars.
Hey. Watch out, weave.
Tiny Tim's home for Christmas.
Oh. We're only halfway done, Evan, so don't push yet.
Hey Joe, you saw that?
What?
I grabbed some mimosas that you had for this.
Yeah.
You see? I don't know. 23 minutes, Joey's on home.
Okay.
Be done in like 15.
Shut up.
Everybody, everywhere.
I can see the end. Yeah. All right, I've been downhill. Woo! Sorry.
It's great. Oh, great weather. I can't talk.
We got what, like 15 minutes left? What can't you do for 15 minutes?
This. You ready?
You slip around. You got it.
That's not the finish line. Okay. Evan. You see that white tower in the distance?
Yeah.
That white pillar?
Yeah.
It's right around there.
Oh, that's the Washington Monument, Joey. Red lights.
Do it for Miss Sweeney. Oh. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go. Off a low. Fucking GoPro died right before the race ended. Good job.
Good job, too. You probably slowed down.
Dude, the GoPro died right before I finished the race. I was devastated. All that effort just for the finish line to not be recorded. Oh, what's up?
Nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you too.
Have fun.
Yeah, you
Happy
too.
Thanksgiving.
Don Joey fans. Alex! This guy right here. It's Don Joe.
Joey's eyes like it's no respect. Can't feel my toes or my feet. What's in pain the most? Yeah. Time to do some calf stretch. Calf stretch. Fuck, I'm doing this.
Oh yeah, he's stretching those calves.
Alright, let's go get some beer. Shock the monkey. How'd you do, mama?
I think I did okay. Let me check. It's not official.
Go get one.
Not official, but about 50 minutes.
Okay.
Which is good because I was hoping for an hour.
I think I did like 41.5 minutes. To the Peaky Blinders. Alright, just to recap of the race while my mom talks to her friend. We wanted to be 40 minutes. We didn't quite do so. I got around 41.5. He got around 42 something.
42:13.
Not too bad. Still better than last year by about 2 minutes. I was in a lot of pain at the end. Fourth mile was really hard. The first half of the fifth mile was really hard. And what's up? I don't know who that is.
Happy Thanksgiving, Daddy.
Chewbacca. This is Miss Marconi, my cross country coach and track coach. She's great. We love her.
She's great. She's great.
Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Very grateful for this one.
Yeah. Why? Oh, hey. What was your time? What? 109? Pretty good, pretty good.
I didn't dream at all.
You didn't wait. Hello everyone, welcome to the heart.
The disco.
Oh, my legs. Oh. Oh. Oh.
After running a marathon.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
So obnoxious.
Oh. No, I'm not. All right, Mom, recap the day. Recap the day.
We woke up. Joey was like, "Can you make me instant?" And so I made him instant.
Instant is like a chocolate milk sort of breakfast.
And then we got ready, and then we went to Target, and then we did the turkey trot. We ran 5 miles, and then we met up inside the Buffalo Convention Center and socialized a little bit.
And socialized a little bit.
And now we're standing here freezing, waiting for the bus because we socialized too long.
Oh no, sorry. Oh, like you've never socialized too much in your life before. Like we're at Disney World and you spent a half hour talking to some random person from Facebook. Stretching. Great, great. Probably need to get on one of these buses now, and we're gonna head back, and we're gonna have Thanksgiving, and we're gonna watch the Bills game, and it's gonna be great.
You gotta help me cook.
And it's gonna be great. All right, everyone, we're on the bus. Finally, after waiting that long line, we're gonna go home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Half the people on the ship are going to die.
Not the better half.
I would be. You could have a school bus. All right, guys, that's it. I'm exhausted. I'll see you all in the next adventure. Bye.